So I made some questions and stuff on my stories about what kind of things you wanted to see. People said they want to see more application and technique. So first I'm going to show you this without the application. It's the idea that we parry, block, and hit, we lay out, step, nail. It looks really nice. How does that work? It comes off of the 1-2 punch, right? At this point I control and break. I clear, I can hit the elbow. I come up underneath here, the lock, and then I jam the shoulder with this elbow at the same time as I step my weight behind. It doesn't really matter what foot they have, whether they're on their back foot this way or that switch your foot. Like this doesn't matter, really. You can just step behind them. You can switch back foot, make it harder. Things like this, I'm just jamming this way. See how it rights his posture, but he blows on that leg. So it's like over here, I'm pulling down here and I'm hitting with the elbow and jamming into the shoulder as I walk this foot behind. As I walk this foot behind, I turn my hip out and I kneel on the outside knee. It comes down. At this point, I can always trap this real quick. I'm gonna just hit, block this. I can hit to the groin. Before the finish, we step up and across, turn the body, and I can control the ankle and the knee. So if I'm gonna hear, I can always back fist and give him a little something to think about as I step up and stomp on the way through. So when I sit down, I grab the underside of the foot and on the outside to turn the ankle. As I brace against the knee, I turn in the knee so it goes up and locks out. Then I sit down, pressure against the knee, lift up, or I can break against the ankle, either one. So pop, break, and at this point I can turn through, kick or stomp. I'm just going to do it smoothly this time. So it comes off, 1, 2, break, hit. I clear this, and I use this right here to keep him from able to try to come in for a tackle. So notice how he tries to come in, I can hit from coming up. Lock up, step, drop. And here's like press, hit, select the leg, step up, boom. Come this way one more time. Boom. I hit here, I drive up, step, boom. Go down, I'm in. This is a hit, hit, step up, stomp, right here, break. Let's do it other side so you can see this way. So my left hand first, 1, 2, hit the break, come up, lock on the knee, elbow, I step through. Notice that my foot's not in line. I turn, foot out, I kneel with this leg. Drag him over, I collect this leg. I pick it up, hit, step through, and I'm here. I'm now turning this up. I can break, twist the ankle, snap. At this point, boom, through, boom. 1, 2, break, scoop through, elbow, step, kneel. Boom, hit, come up, step through, and I'm right there. Break, back of the knee. Right. So, that's the technique. It's a tabletop throw coming from this catch. Thank you for watching.